From today, I will explain Korean fortune telling easily. I'm going to try to explain it as easily as possible. Don't think of Korean fortune telling as a difficult discipline. It's the easiest in the world. You just feel unfamiliar because you don't have anything easy to solve in English. The reason why I think it's difficult is because there are many Chinese characters and the terminology is based on Chinese characters. So it seems difficult for English speakers to access it easily. But you don't have to use difficult terms because it's a study from everything in nature. Wood, fire, land, gold, and water can explain everything. So I'm going to explain by changing the terms expressed in Chinese characters to English expressions. If you memorize only the basic letters, anyone can interpret them easily from next time. Let's have courage and study together step by step. You only need to know the top 10 passwords and the bottom 12 passwords. I will also change 22 passwords to English. Korean fortune telling means 4 pillars. Divide these 4 pillars up and down. The top is called the sky, and the bottom is called the ground. It's simple. Just put my date of birth in the Korean fortune telling application and you'll get your 4 pillars right away. You just need to develop the ability to read it. Korean fortune telling starts with a tremendous curiosity to know the future. Humans created God because they wanted to know the future. I was also curious about my future when I first studied. I was most curious about when I made money. Next, I want to find out who is destined to earn the most money in my family. Am I meant to be in business? Are you destined for a job? When will my spouse meet? Is my spouse destined to be rich? I was so curious. I studied Korean fortune telling as if I were opening Pandora's box. In fact, fortune telling is a study that was conducted in Korea to help farming using the 24 season. The fact that the Earth's 4 seasons are divided into 24 more is the detail of ancestors who want to farm well without making mistakes. As you may have heard, Ipcheon and Ipshu are all from Korean fortune telling. Spring is coming in Ipcheon, and autumn is coming in. In Korean fortune telling, humans are considered small universes, and are substituted for good and evil. At first, you can look at it with your eyes. Then, when you become confident in studying, it is a study to find out what fate I was born with. Then I expand my scope to my family. What you need to be careful about here is that you're sure that you know the future of your family and say, you're going to live this fate. But this is a universal behavior that beginners do when they learn something at first, so don't think I'm the only one who thinks it's weird. From now on, let's look at the future of humans with 4 pillars.